السماوات والأرض ولا يخط حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. So we mark there. So it that same to mark the holes right here. Same to here. We mark the holes like this. So this one too is the buttons. The mark here. When we do it like this, the holes right here. We're gonna get the holes right here. So here and here, same to the other one. So we are gonna be stitching the holes with the normal sewing machine right now. We're gonna be stitching the holes with the normal sewing machine right now. We come down here. So we move it down here. Stitch the last holes. To stitch the what? The last holes. To stitch the what? The last holes. So this is how to stitch the holes with the normal sewing machine. Understand? How to stitch the holes with the normal sewing machine. Understood? So we go to the hands, the long sleeve. The long sleeve. We move to the long sleeve and see what we have to move to the what? To the long sleeve. You gotta get it to what? To لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله ولا نعبد إلا إياه ولا نعبد إلا إياه مخلصين له الدين ولو كره الكافرون اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وعلى أصحاب سيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم صلى الله عليه وسلم صلى الله عليه وسلم صلى الله عليه وسلم لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Subhanallah bihamdihi, Subhanallah al-Azim, Subhanallah bihamdihi, Subhanallah al-Azim, Subhanallah bihamdihi, Subhanallah al-Azim. La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah. Guys, let's mark it. Let's mark it. Bismillah. Tawakkaltu ala Allah. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahi lazim. Please follow, subscribe now, like, comment, share this video. Please share this video to your loved ones, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you what? Subscribe. Make sure you what? Subscribe. Maxstar seems to the what? To the world. Maxstar seems to the what? To the world. To the what? To the world. La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.